Here's a great example of a progressive die that we developed and designed in-house. Our number one selling feature for us is the fact that we're small, we're able to respond rapidly with any changes or quick updates and orders. I am without doubt the proudest American to say that we make and have product made in the United States of America. And we are metal stamping gurus.
Portsmouth's secret is their in-house tooling for design freedom and faster turnaround.
Hi, I'm Nick Peelan with Portsmouth Metal Stamping, president and owner, and we specialize in metal stamping. Our material capabilities are pretty much all across the spectrum as far as alloys go. Material thicknesses, we can handle anything from 4,000s up to 10 gauge, which is approximately 1/8 of an inch. Same thing, stainless, copper, brass, aluminum, high carbon, low carbon, titanium, high strength steels, all of that. Quantity-wise, I mean, we have minimum quantity requirements of 10,000 pieces, which is totally dependent upon geometry, and our maximum is up to 10 million. Here's a great example of a progressive die that we developed and designed in-house. You can see initially we start with the 2 holes, part stamp. We come up the next station, we trim, put the radius. We've got the slot that goes in the side. We come up, we put a pre-hole for the extrusion. We extrude and carries it down, where on the other side we open another hole in here, and then we trim the edges. Comes up another neutral station. Ultimately we have a primary bend, and then we have our secondary bend that comes in, and finished product comes off the end by cutting this small little tab that's holding it in place. This finished part that comes off at the end like this. This is an item here which we do several secondary processes to, simply because it's too complex, as you can see, in geometry to get all done on one tool. So the majority of it does get done on a progressive tool, and then we ultimately come in, bend the inner tab down, as well as fold the outer edges down to where it's completed. And this is basically a latch handle that's used on collapsible containers, so it is constantly being used over and over and over. All right, this is a small complex item here. It's used in the shipment of screen doors. And as a result, it's extremely complicated. As you can see, it has multiple bends, and this is all done on a one-hit, single-stage progressive die. Tooling for us is lifetime. We do replace products, we do replace components, we do repair and monitor and maintain the tooling at no cost to our customers, which is an added benefit, especially if you have a part that's really abusive on the tool during the production process. And as a result, we just eat that up and take care of the customer.
Let Portsmouth Metal Stamping be your metal stamping guru. Get a quote now.